Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to share the complete guide on how to use Trendlines in the price action trading system. Trendlines are one of my favorite trading tools because they allow us to explore market psychology and trends in many different ways, and they are also universally applicable across time frames, markets, and market conditions. To understand the trendline trading strategy, we open Euro USD weekly time frame and draw major trendlines channel. This will help us to know the market movements. Now we switch to the monthly time frame. Here you will see that we got rejection through the trend line. And in daily as well as weekly time frame candle break trend line and reverse again. So here we place a buy trade. We won this trade. Now we draw a new trendline channel in a daily time frame to understand market movements. Now we switch to the weekly time frame. Here you will see that we got rejection through the trend line below direction. So here we place a sell trade. And we set a target price near the major trend line area. We won this trade as well. Here you will see that candle got rejection through our major supportive trend line second time and a bullish engulfing candle formed. So here we place a buy trade. We won this trade too. Now time to draw the zone area to know the market's next movements. Here we need to draw one more trendline channel for extra confirmation. as you will see that candle retest trend line and dark cloud cover candle formed. So here we place a sell trade. We won this trade too. Now time to draw one more zone area to understand market next movements. Here we need to draw a supportive trend line for extra confirmation. At this point, you will see that candle got rejection through the trend line. So here we place a sell trade. We won this trade as well. Now you will see that candle got rejection through the zone area and 3 white soldiers candlestick pattern formed. So here we place a buy trade. As you will see that candle got perfect rejection through our minor supportive trend line. And a pin bar candle formed along with bullish candle confirmation. So here we place a one more buy trade. We won both trades. I hope you will understand the concept of this strategy. You need to train your eyes. I suggest everyone please practice more and more before jump into the live trade and then start making a profit. I hope that you will like my strategy. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.